Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and car. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the iPhone or ensure the Xpander supports wireless CarPlay. Pair Bluetooth and enable Wi-Fi on the phone so the head unit can authenticate the connection. On the vehicle, turn the ignition to accessory or run so the infotainment powers on. Once done, select the CarPlay source on the head unit screen. You do this to force the head unit into pairing mode and let the phone-present car play to the vehicle. Once the phone and unit see each other, you'll get an authorization prompt on the iPhone. Tap Allow and, if you want instant access, enable Allow while locked. Next, organize apps. Open Settings, General, CarPlay, choose the Xpander profile, and drag frequently used apps into prominent positions. This reduces reach time while driving. Also configure Siri and privacy options so voice control works. Use the vehicle's knob or steering buttons to navigate CarPlay. This keeps your eyes on the road and improves safety. To finish, run real tasks. Launch maps and start a route, play music, and make a test call so you confirm audio routing and microphone levels. If something fails, reboot your iPhone first, swap the Lightning cable, and reselect CarPlay on the head unit. These quick fixes solve most connection problems. If issues persist, reset the infotainment or check for firmware updates on the Xpander head unit and update iOS. Software mismatches are often why CarPlay won't connect reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.